Now the temperature of Srinagar equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Therefore, 3 degrees Celsius is greater than minus 2 degrees Celsius. No, it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Now come to question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25 minus 5 minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? See the solution. Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds are 25 minus 5 minus 10, 15 and 10. Therefore, total marks got by Jack equal to 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Here add the like terms, that is 25 plus 15 plus 10 minus 5 minus 10. Here 25 plus 15 plus 10, it is 50, minus 5 minus 10, it is minus 15, 50 minus 15, it is 35. Thus 35 marks are got by Jack, in a quiz. Now come to question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? See the solution. On Monday, temperature at Srinagar, it is -5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, temperature dropped equal to 2 degrees Celsius. Therefore, temperature on Tuesday equal to -5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius equal to -7 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday, temperature rose up by 4 degrees Celsius. Therefore, temperature on Wednesday equal to -7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius -7 plus 4, it is -3 degrees Celsius. Thus, temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was -7 degrees Celsius and minus 3 degrees Celsius respectively. Now come to question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? See the solution. Height of plane above sea level equal to 5,000 meters. Floating a submarine below the sea level equal to 1200 meters. Therefore, the vertical distance between the plane and submarine equal to 5,000 meters plus 1200 meters. Add it, you will get 6,200 meters. This is your answer.